Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Okay, right, you are fine. Okay, before we begin our class, I would like to introduce myself because you don't know my name, right? And I'm also I don't know your name. Okay, my name is Della Maretianisi. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Mandalika in the 6th semester, and I'm come here for doing PLP atau disebut dengan pelaksanaan pengenalan lapangan pembelajaran. So, I come to your class because of asking by Mrs. Mihmal or Ibu Mihmal to learn about how to teach you in the class. But today I would like to only introduce myself before we begin our study. Alright, before that I will introduce myself. Can you listen me, guys? Okay. Please, I ask your time 5 minutes or 2 minutes to introduce myself. Okay, my name is Della Maretianisi. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Mandalika. I'm in the 6th semester. And also I come here, like I have told you just now, for doing VLP. So I hope we can learn more or study more in the class with we can kerjasama dengan baik. Ketika saya mohon diperhatikan jika sedang mengajar, dan teman-teman sekalian juga mohon bantuannya. Jadi teman-teman, di sini saya akan masuk kelas untuk menggantikan Ibu Mihmal menjelaskan dari materi yang akan diberikan. So, today our material is about passive voice. But before we begin our class, I would like to know who's your name one by one. Alright. So, who want to introduce themselves in front? Anybody wants come in front to introduce themselves? Oh, you are shy, guys. Okay, alright. How about if I call you from your attendance list, or you will come in front one by one? How about you? Okay, because of this first meeting, I think I will call you one by one. Okay. After I think I have called you one by one. So maybe I haven't remember all your name, but you can call me outside the class, or we can talk more about something maybe in outside the class. But because of I hope you can tell me how your study in the class, because of this is my first time to come to your class or this, in the school. I hope you can tell me how does work your study in the class. I see there are many students bring mobile phone, so can you stop or can you put your mobile phone in your bag when we begin the study? Okay, because of if you touch your phone when we study, I think you will not focus to listen me or see my explanation in the whiteboard. So I hope you can put your phone in your bag. Okay. Today I only tell you what is our material, what is passive voice, and tell you a little example what is passive voice. But I think Mrs. Mihmal have already told you what is passive voice before last week. So now I only ask you or repeated the material last week. Example what is passive voice and what the form of passive voice. So one more time, anybody wants to explain what is passive voice, you can come to in front to tell your friend what is passive voice. Whoever want to come in front, I will give you gift. Saya akan memberikan hadiah bagi siapapun yang maju, yang bisa memberikan penjelasan tentang apa itu passive voice dan memberikan sedikit contoh bagi teman-teman yang lain. Come on. Okay, alright. You can come to in front. I give you time, all of you, 1 minute to remember what is passive voice, what is the definition of passive voice, and give example. And you can come in front to write the example of passive voice. Okay, give applause for our friend for being come to in front to explain what is passive voice and give example. So I think really nice to meet you. So see you next week with the same material, and I hope you really learn more about this material. And I say thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.